Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Docker. Today we are going to learn how to build a Docker image in the Docker. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So basically I'm doing the Node.js application. Okay, so building that image and how the Docker will interact into it, we are going to learn in this video. Let's see. So let's go to the terminal. Okay, so I'm going to run my folder directory cd var www.html node. I think there is there ls. Okay, so here I'm going to create this one. So let's create this one. So I'm going to create a new folder, mkdir docker node cd docker node. Okay, let me open this code also. Okay, so here we go with, I'm going to do with the npm init. Okay, npm init -y to create a node.js package application. Okay, after this I'm going to create a new file with name as app.js file. So I'm going to create that app.js file. Okay, and here I'm going to add this lines of code over here. Okay, so let's add it, and it requires the http. So let me install the http also, npm I http. Okay, this is done. Let's move to the next one. So we have to create a docker file with the name Dockerfile over here. So let me create this one. So here we need to create a file which have the all steps. Okay, so let's install this Docker extension also. Okay, so let's add the code over it. Here we have a Docker file, so we need to install the code over here. So this is the code. So this is a set of instructions that we have to add in the Docker file. So what we have to do over it. So here official Node.js runtime. So I'm going to use the Node 20 that is already there. So set the working user directory in the container user source app, then copy the packet.json, run npm install, then copy the application source code to the working directory, then expose the port with 3000 and run node app.js. So this is the list of instructions in the Docker file. Whatever I have suggested, whatever I have said that the what is the Docker file. So this is the Docker file which consists of the set of instructions where you are telling the Docker like what we have to do. Okay, so we have to pull the image of the node 20, then go with set the working directory in the container, copy the package json to the package log json in the working directory, install the application dependencies, copy the application source code to the working directory, then expose the port application will run on, and then define the command to run the application, that is cmd node app.js. Okay, so this is set of instructions, right? Okay, this is done. Now we have to build the Docker image. So navigate to the terminal and navigate to the container your application code and the Docker file and run Docker build. Okay, so dot here, dot means this assumes that the Docker file name Docker file, it is in the current directory. Okay, so dot means that we are in the current directory. Adjust the image name and the tag as needed. So just copy this one and let's run this one. Over to the terminal, let's add it. So I think we have to use the sudo. So here you can see the building part is started. So we are creating the build. Okay, so building the Docker image. So we are building the Docker image. This assume that your Docker file is named as Dockerfile and it's running in the current directory. Adjust the image name and the tag needed. After the build is successful, run the container. So we have to run this container with the help of the command docker run with host and the port. Here we are mentioning that one. I will explain this what exactly it means because there is another exposing the port part in the tutorial. Okay, so let me run this docker run. After build, to run a container, we have to run the command docker run. So I think everything is sorted and done. You can see there is no error. Let's run our application with the help of this. Okay, so run on the 3000 port. So let's go and check this is working or not. Open link. Now you can see hello Docker. That means we have successfully built a Docker image, right? Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section, and please don't skip any video, because each and every video, if I something missed with the someone, I suppose I haven't explained this one, so I'm going to explain this in the next videos also. Okay, so make sure each and every video has something new to it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you understand what exactly the Docker file is, how to build that image, right, with the Node.js application. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.